Hello everyone, welcome back to another development log. The first thing you probably notice that's different is these little grass decorations. These are just like really quick plain objects that have been positioned over the top of every grass block. Only the ones that are at the top of the level. So if there's nothing above a grass block, then it'll get the grass decoration. These are positioned randomly along the Z depth. So there's a chance that it could be in front of the player like that. Or it'd be behind the player like that one. It's just completely random. If you mine the block that it's on, then it'll disappear. And also if you place down an object above it, then it'll also delete the object as well. I'm going to, in the future, put a bit of code where the grass things will grow back after a certain amount of time. I've also put these little, there's like little dots on the grass. It's just a bit of like decoration really. And when you place a block as well, there's a chance that it'll either be a normal block or one like that. I think it's 1 in 3 that it'll get a dot. And these little dot things are all the way through the game. So if I go down here, they're on the mud blocks as well. And they're also on the stone blocks, but they're not as frequent on the stone. I think it's 1 in 10 that it'll get one of these little decoration things, and it's hardly noticeable to be honest, but it's just something extra to look at. I've also highlighted the trees whenever you put the mouse over it. I've also done this new song as well that's playing in the background. I uploaded a separate video about this song. Yeah, the highlighter object only appears around the trunk as well. And it also highlights the tree that you're looking at. It doesn't work 100%, sometimes, like now, sometimes it doesn't appear. But then if you move the mouse again, it appears. I don't really know why that is. Also another thing, this is a question for anyone watching. If you know how to get rid of these black lines on these objects, let me know. These are plain objects. And it shouldn't appear because I'm at the same level. Like I know they're plain objects and they're not like proper 2D objects, but it shouldn't appear at the top like that. And I've checked all of the graphics and the texture files are fine. There's no there's no line along the top of the graphics. In fact, if I move around, sometimes they disappear like that. So it is just a graphical glitch on the software. I love the way these grass decorations look. Like when you're moving, because of the different depths on them, they move at different speeds. I think it looks quite cool. So that's pretty much where I'm up to. Oh, I'm stuck there. What's I stuck on now? I've cleaned up a bit of the code from last time. So, like last time I was telling you about this glitch in the inventory. I've just got rid of that now. So the block doesn't appear anymore. I just hide all of the tools when you're placing blocks. There's quite a few little glitches on this actually. I've cleaned it up a bit. I've spent a bit of time today cleaning things up. Like there's another glitch now. If you run out of objects, it should hide that highlighter object. In fact, that highlighter object shouldn't even be shown. It only shows when you've got the tools out. I've also updated it so that you see that little thing next to the mouse, the little shovel icon? That only appears now if you're hovering over the right object for the tool. So if I put it over the wood, that's not the right tool, so it won't appear. Whereas the grass is. And it's the same with the pickaxe, it won't appear over any of these, but it will appear over the stone. And same with the axe. It appears over wood, but not grass or stone. So I've just been little things like that I've been getting fixed up. And it's running a lot smoother now. Still running at around 60 FPS. It says 59, but I think it's because it's not. It's like rounding down instead of up. Yeah, these little grass things are just a bit of extra decoration. I'm just trying to make it look a bit more, I don't know, full to look at. So that's where I'm at the moment. I'll put that new song back on. I actually have another YouTube channel for my music, because I'm a music composer, and if you want to see how I made this song, then check out my channel. It's Liam Bradbury Music. Just search for that and I'll pop up. I've recently got over 1,000 subs on there. I'm just talking about the Cubase project file of this song. I think the next step in this game is I want to put the background walls in to make it look like an actual building that I'm in. But that also means I need to create a hammer tool. I need to create saplings as well, because I want to be able to replant the trees. I like the footsteps, how it changes sound depending on what object you're on. So if you listen here, I'm on the wooden block, so you get wooden footsteps, and then it changes to grass footsteps. That's just detecting what group the object below me belongs to. I think it looks a bit better now with these new textures. I've also brightened up everything a little bit. It's only very slightly, but everything's a little bit brighter. I need to put in some ores. I want to get like iron ore and diamonds and things. So that's where I'm at. That's development log number 11. The next one I should have some new stuff. So that's it. If you want to follow the development, then click that subscribe button below. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. And if you know how to get rid of these black lines on these grass decorations, let me know.